Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to use Perplexity AI without creating an account, you can still access most of its core features as a guest directly from your browser, okay? In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI as a guest and get answers without logging in, okay? So first thing first, open Perplexity AI, go to perplexity.ai, okay? No login required. You will see the search bar immediately. Use it or be ready to use it instantly, okay? So type your question, ask anything like what is AI, okay? Explain present simple tense, and then press enter, okay? Words like a smart search engine. Read the answer. You will get a clear AI generated answer. For example, let's say, okay, you will get a clear AI generated response. Like you can even look at the sources, okay? You have here everything, okay? So a clear AI generated response, sources, links for verification, scroll to explore more, okay? Fast and informative. So ask follow-up questions, for example, okay? For example, continue asking, explain more simply, choose one of these answers, okay? Give examples, compare with this with something else, okay? Build a conversation, okay? So you can use it for quick research too, superfix for homework, help, quick explanations, general knowledge, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.